she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we had a little snow. Not the 5 to 10 inches they said, but it is slippery and heavy and slushy here on the farm. Gotta watch where I'm going because I don't want to fall. Anyway, going out to feed the animals and see how everybody's doing. It is, I guess, sleeting, snowing, I don't know. But we're not getting, as you could see, we're not getting the amount that they said. And I canceled all my appointments today at work, so I look stupid. Oh well. It is what it is. I live off of very curvy mountain type roads. Woohoo! And I wasn't going to take the chance. So, let's go see them. I started using this clip instead of this one because these little springy things freeze, and especially in freezing rain, and then I can't get in. Well, I hold them in my hand till they warm up, but it's a pain in the neck. Okay, so I told you about my gate getting fixed, which is great, and that the fence was started, but the guy never showed up. Never heard from him. He promised at one point he would come back, and he never did. So we called somebody else, and they came, and in one day, they finished the whole thing. Well, this was just yesterday. So they even cleaned the pile up of garbage by the tree. So that's great. So now Dreamer can run out and play, get some exercise. And the goats, well, they're due to come out as soon as the snow stops, because I have to have these people come back and work on a little wall for them. I'll show you why. Okay, so here's their gate that was covering them. If you remember, there was a huge pile of garbage and 40-year-old horse poop, cow poop, sorry. And then we have them in this gate here. This gate has been jammed catty corner into position, and after they left, I tried to open it and let them out. Sorry, I got a puddle to avoid over here without falling. Anyway, it's been kind of jammed in there, and I can't get it out. So I gotta have them come back, and we'll let them out, clean this out, and they'll be free to roam. What do you guys think of that, huh? Does that sound good? Rudy? Cola? Sarsaparilla? But they're warm. It's really cold out, but they're doing good. They can't wait to get out. They can't wait. So, when we want to go into the barn, there's a gate here that you just have to go through. You know, we feed them from the inside anyway. So they're all protected from coyotes or stray dogs. And there again is the fence. And we put a gate down there. Eventually, I'd like to make another pasture for them. This is just a not temporary, but this is what is going to be Dreamers eventually. And they will get down there. Plus, we need to get a ride-on mower in the spring and have that go through there. Excellent. Let's go check Dreamer. So I've been dealing with a lot of mud over here since I killed all the grass. It's really kind of soupy. But at least when we get this area, he won't be able to eat grass all day, which is unfortunate for him. He cannot do that. Let's see how he is. Dreamer. Okay. Hi. Oh, help yourself. There's your bucket. I don't know if I could do this. Ow! And that is his porridge. That is Purina Equine Senior and some Timothy hay pellets, all soaked up. Nothing dry for him. Are you a good boy? Yeah. He's a good boy. He's very fuzzy. Look how fuzzy he is. So that's good. He's keeping warm. Okay, so now that we've done the outside chores, I got stuff to do inside. I'm home all day. Should have gone to work. Actually, I don't know if you can see, it is starting to snow again. But it's too late now. I canceled my appointments, and it is what it is. So I found myself with 2 days off, and I figured I'd make a video since I had some time. Oh, here, maybe you could see the snow if we reverse. Oh yeah, it is snowing. It's getting a little heavier now. So, I am going to put some other video clips in showing you what's been going on, because I've been filming a little bit here and there, but it's usually never enough to make a video. So I'm going to add those on here, and you can see what's been going on. Thanks for watching, as always, and for subscribing and supporting me. I appreciate it. I know we're not a lot, but the channel is growing slowly, so that's really good. And it's given me a little bit more motivation to try and do some more videos. I was really gung-ho. I did a lot of videos, and it didn't see much progress, or didn't feel like anybody really wanted to watch. So I kind of slacked off for the last couple months. But I'm going to try. I'm going to come back. Dog show season is starting. I have a trip to New York for Westminster weekend planned. Oh, it's only about 3 weeks away now, 4 weeks away. So in February. And so I'm going to take you on that journey. And I will be filming because I have a week off. And I'll be driving with the dogs. So it'll be another good fun video. All right, guys. Thanks. Stay tuned. This little doggy just came running up to me out of nowhere, and I think he belongs to the people kind of across the street. Of course, the dog is not leash broken, so I'm not making it very far because she starts screaming. Cute little thing, but it's running around like a maniac, and I don't know whose dog it is, so we're trying to find out. Hi, baby. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Where do you belong? I know you don't like the leash. Can't walk you across the street. Oh, oh, no, no, no. Don't eat my leash. No, 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 no. You get loose. No, you could be lost. I don't know. Stop, 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 stop. Don't chew that because I don't want you to get loose. Uh-uh.
Da prisión. Ah, se mataba con el disparo aos poucos. Hey, how you doing? I got your food. Oh, shoot, come on. Ah, you got hung. No, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. You can have it. Have fun. You can chase him for a little while.
Where's Marta? Where's Marta? Come on, where'd they go?
Okay, click to the next day. Look at this. It snowed all night. Well, light flurries. But the weatherman did not say it was going to be like this. Crazy. It's Missouri.